Hello sports fans, welcome to RV'ing with Luck. I'm Ralph Luck, and today I'm going to get up off this chair and Ninja and I are going to head out and explore a different part of the forest we haven't been in before and see what we see being active. So there's the RV in the distance, and I decided to head a different direction today. It's pretty cool. It's like Dead Tree Alley. And of course, Ninja's got to come with me. Just look at that giant tree that was uprooted. Wow. But as I know from my awning, trees do fall. I mean, look at that one uprooted. And there's another. And all these here, it's just like a little mini tornado came through here. I mean, look at them all. Just in this one little area. So we're gonna head a little bit that way and see what's over there. She just loves being out in the forest. Okay, ready to go some more? Here we go. Let's head towards that tall white tree. There's a lot of thunder, chance of rain, and I do feel sprinkles. So we won't go too far. But hey, it's only water. So cool, these rocks. It's like a little carpet of grass. It is really neat. Right, Ninja? Starting to get some sprinkles. Wow. So I'm gonna go check this out. It's like a little hill and rocks. And it looks like it looks down into a ravine. And it's starting to sprinkle a little more. So I think we'll go investigate this and check it out. Maybe head back. Well, we're gonna go to the top of those rocks, but just tons of down trees overlooking a valley of more down trees. Wow. So there's a tree that obviously got struck by lightning. But here's our view. And I say ours because look who's right between my legs. And the thunder rolls and the lightning strikes. Okay, so we're heading back now. Still just a slight drizzle. Just so amazing to see burnt up trees struck by lightning, but not causing a forest fire, just burning them a little bit. I was wondering what this bright yellow stuff was off in the distance, but it's a whole bunch of mushrooms. Should I eat them? Why don't you try a bite? Well, made it just as the rain's starting to get a little heavier. But thanks for watching Ninja and I on this exciting forest hike. If you enjoyed this, please smash that thumbs up button. If you haven't already subscribed, we'd love to have you as a subscriber, getting notifications anytime I post a new video, which is about every day or two. Be positive, be nice, be active.